On the behalf of Government Engineering College Banswara, I Dr. Sunil Gadhwal welcomes you once again in video lecture classes. Today we are going to discuss about a numerical problem which is based on proximate analysis. As we had discussed in proximate analysis, that when a call sample is heated at 107, 105 to 110 degrees centigrade, the moisture will escape from the given call sample, and when we heat the residue of the sample, so after heating 105 to 107 at 1 hour, keeping enclosed crucible by putting lid at 950 degrees for 7 minutes, then the volatile matter will escape. And when we heat further the crucible by open lid at 700 degrees centigrade, then all this fuel will burn and it will form ash content. So from in this problem we can conclude that this is a approximate analysis based problem, and we have to find 4 parameters. One is moisture content, another is volatile matter, third is ash, and fourth is percentage of carbon. So on the basis of this given data, as the experiment is started with taking 2 gram of coal sample. So this is the weight of coal sample A. And then keeping it 107 degrees centigrade, this is the weight of B, and this is the weight of C. Okay, so we have to find out the all the these 4 components. So first moisture, percentage of moisture, mass loss due to the presence of moisture upon weight of coal sample into 100. So as you can see that we had started the analysis with 2 gram of coal sample, and when we heated it at 107 degrees centigrade for 1 hour, then this is the left behind weight, this is the weight of B. So more weight loss due to the presence of moisture is A minus B. So A is 2 gram, B is 1.7 gram. So this is the weight lost by coal sample due to moisture upon weight of coal sample into 100. So by putting the values in these formulas, we will get the percentage of moisture. So this is mass of moisture is 0.3 gram upon coal sample 2 into 100. So we will get 15% of moisture. Next, when this 1.7 gram is covered with lid and heated for 7 minutes at 950 degrees centigrade, this 1.3 gram residue was behind. So this is the weight of C. So C means volatile matter. So here mass of volatile matter will 1.7 minus 1.3, this is 1.4 gram. So putting the values in the formula of percentage of volatile matter, so here we have to put loss of weight due to removal of volatile matter upon weight of coal sample into 100. So here we have to put the values 0.4 upon 2, as we had started the analysis with 2 gram of call sample. So every time here it will come 2 gram. In this particular example into 100. So this is the value of 20% will come as a volatile matter. Now the S content. So further the residue octane is further heated at 700 degrees centigrade in muffle furnace till the constant mass of 0.25 gram of residue was obtained. This is the mass of S. As we know that when coal will burn completely, the end product will be S. So this is the behind the mass in the form of S. So percentage of S is mass of S upon weight of coal sample into 100. So you will put here then 0.25 upon 2 into 100. So it will get 12.5%. And percentage of carbon 100 minus we have to subtract the values of percentage of moisture plus volatile matter plus S content. So by keeping the values in this formula 100 minus 15 plus 20 plus 12.5, this will come as 47.5. so that we have to subtract from 100. So 52.5% is carbon present in the given coal sample. Hoping that you would understood the problem very well and will be able to answer if examiner will ask similar problem in the exam. Thank you.